Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the World of Warships Legends Error Code 92. The error reads, "Failed to connect to the server." For smooth gameplay and in-game transactions, you must have a stable internet connection. Please check your internet connection or try again later. As per our research, the error comes when players are in the middle of a game or trying to launch the game. The error disconnects them from the server and prevents access to the game. According to our research, this error is mainly caused by unstable internet connections or temporary server issues. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your internet. Simply turn off your console and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart. After that, check if you need to update the game. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. If the error doesn't continue over the other network, then it's a network issue with your default connection. In that case, try troubleshooting your original network. If the error still continues even over the other network, then probably the game servers are down. In that case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.